Do you have something na pwede nang maparent? We want a unit na pwedeng iparent while we are here sa abroad. Yes, meron. So, papakita ko sa inyo tong one bedroom ng Park McKinley West. This is a 35 square meters, one bedroom unit dito sa Park McKinley West. Semi-furnished, included na yung cooktop, range hood, kitchen cabinets, faucet, and sink. Then, meron na rin siyang video intercom and smart home ready. Then, sa toilet and bath, complete na yung sanitary fixtures. What you see is what you get. Aside from those, meron na rin tayong 2 split type aircon dito sa living area and 1 sa bedroom. Also, what's good about this unit is pet friendly na siya, complete with hotel type amenities, and of course, yung pinaka-highlight ng project na to is connected siya sa 2-level malls. So if you make 10% down payment, yung magiging monthly nyo is nasa 25,000 pesos per month na lang. Pero the only problem with this type of unit is exclusive na siya for Filipino buyers and dual citizen. So if you're a foreigner, you can get a co-buyer na Filipino para makapag-push through po tayo sa pag-purchase ng unit. So if you have any question, feel free to ask. You may send a direct message, comment down below, and of course, follow for more. Salamat!